In this video, we compare HS440 Foldable FPV Drone and HS720 GPS Drone 4K. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The Holystone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone is a versatile device equipped with a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera that offers a wide-angle lens for capturing stunning aerial scenery. With a robust modular battery, the drone provides an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes, allowing you to explore and capture more of your surroundings. Despite its compact size, the HS440 is packed with intuitive and advanced features and comes with a handy carrying case for easy portability. The HS440 drone ensures a streamlined and safer operation with features like automatic takeoff and precise hovering, along with the excitement of one-key high-speed rotation. The drone is perfect for beginners, boasting intelligent functions such as emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold, alongside user-friendly features like long flight time. Priced at $84.99, the HS440 drone promises a new adventure with every flight, making it an excellent value for money. The HS720 GPS Drone 4K by Holystone provides a high-quality 4K UHD camera with image stabilization, ensuring crisp and clear images and videos even in motion. This drone is FAA compliant for remote ID, eliminating the need for an extra module and ensuring worry-free flights. Equipped with GPS-assisted intelligent flight, the drone returns automatically when the battery is low or signal is lost, and can follow set paths or circle a point, allowing for focused photography and creation. The drone features an upgraded configuration with 2 intelligent batteries for a total of 52 minutes flight time, brushless motors for quieter flight and lower power consumption, and a foldable design for easy transportation. The HS720 is easy to operate with multi-sensors for stable hovering and optical flow positioning for effective operation in weak GPS signal areas. The considerate controller, with a control range reaching up to 3,000 feet, displays battery level and GPS signal on an LED screen and includes a button for turning the drone light on or off, catering to both right and left-handers. The HS440 Foldable FPV Drone and the HS720 GPS Drone 4K, both by Holystone, share many similarities but also have distinct features that set them apart. The HS440 drone, priced at $84.99, is a compact yet feature-rich device that offers a 1080p HD camera and a flight time of up to 20 minutes. It is designed with beginners in mind, offering features such as emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold. In contrast, the HS720 GPS Drone 4K, priced at $249.99, offers a high-quality 4K UHD camera and a longer total flight time of 52 minutes. It comes with advanced features such as GPS-assisted intelligent flight and image stabilization. It also complies with FAA regulations for remote ID. Both drones are foldable for easy transportation, but the HS720 has a higher control range of up to 3,000 feet. While the HS440 offers excellent value for money, the HS720 provides superior features and functionality for a higher price.